this video, I want to show you how to change the lock screen look of your iPhone 16e. So first of all, make it appear. So right now the screen of the phone is turned off. If I turn it on, keep press on it. And now it says unlock to edit. So if you have Face ID, just take a look at the camera to unlock it. Great. Now we are in edit mode. You can have multiple lock screen. As you see, these are mine that I've chosen in the past. If you want to create a brand new one, go all the way towards the right side and tap on this plus icon. From here, you have many different choices that Apple offers you, but you can also put your own photo by selecting photo on the top left corner. Let's say I want this one. Tap on it. And now you can edit so many things over here, including the clock. So if we tap on the clock, you can change the font, change the size, the color, the transparency. Now you can also tap on the date on the top. And here you can select and add different information that you may want. So the weather on the top and other, as you see, clock, fitness, it really depends what you want. You can also add a widget right over here. You can tap the plus icon and you will be able to select. And you have two shortcuts on your lock screen. Over here, it's the flashlight, but if you tap the minus and then the plus, you can add anything else. Let's say you want to use a stopwatch often. Well, you can put it there. Same thing with the camera. If you swipe left and right, you can also have different version. Now, if you have selected your own picture by swiping left and right, it will simply change the tint of the picture, which is different. But over here, this is a wallpaper made by Apple. So this is why it completely changed the wallpaper. And this is about it. Once you're done and you want to save it, press the add button on the top right corner. You can set this wallpaper as a pair. So even the app screen or the home screen will have it in the background, or you can select customize home screen. And your home screen can be different. So let's say I want it to be yellow or another gradient. You can choose this as well. Press done. And here you go. Your lock screen is over here. By tapping on it, it will be applied. If you want to change it, keep press and change to another one that you had in the past or create a brand new. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.